Hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. All right, leveling system HWH, non-computerized leveling, non-automatic, no automatic, just manual with the bubble level indicator up by the dash where a touchpad is. So what we did is we showed you that the solenoid was making a noise. The dump valve was making a noise. Then we showed you it went from 0 volts up to source voltage, 12 volts. That's a pull-up switch. All right, goes from 0 and pulls it up to source voltage. The other one is, at the same time, we took the power away from it, all right, and we did an ohm check all the way from the computer output control all the way down to the solenoid, found out the winding was about 6 ohms. Well, there's the winding, okay. I'll put you on pause real quick. Well, there it is, 15, 16 ohms, all right, 0.017 ohms of a kilo ohm. So you just move the decimal over right here. All right, so 17 ohms, pretty good. Put you on pause. Now let's go over the parts, okay? This is the plunger. This is the coil. That sits down in there pretty much like that. Creates a magnetic field. Well, it's normally closed. See the spring pushing it up? That little rubber right there fits right on this little bevel sticking out, that flare, and that stops the airflow. So it's a normally closed. That means it's closed all the time till you create electricity, current flow, and magnetism. Then magnetism does this, pulls that down and allows air from the airbag to blow through here and then through this cruddy, that's what it is. It's just clogged up. And all right, so I'm gonna do my best to clean it out and get this valve working. There's the other O-ring in there. All right, so hopefully we don't have to buy nothing, but if we do, we will, and it is what it is. All right, so folks, that's not the conclusion of the HWH system, 310, but you gotta remember some of the circuit numbers. Remember 6100 and all the numbers that you saw are common from the first HWH with a hydraulic pump system, and they moved forward all the way up to the 2K system. Of course, there's more now because you got sensors on each wheel and all this stuff, right? So you have to learn more circuit numbers, but the basic ones are pump, control solenoid. All right, so I hope that was enough for you to learn, all right? And we'll have more videos on this. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto, test not guess. What I always say to you, safe travels, and may your campfire burn bright till we see each other on the next video or see you on the road. Thank you very much.